So one of the things that we found out when we got home was that the tarp actually mounts on this side of the van as well. So you use both bits of the Cador strip and you can feed it directly onto the California's rail. So you do it just like this. So feeding it on through, pull it down a bit, and then just like that, you've got it attached to the van. What that means, using these eyelets in the corners, is if you use the poles which come supplied with the tarp, you're perfectly able then to create another good seating area outside your California or your campervan. So that gives you a good demonstration of how this would work if you didn't have a roll-out awning as well. And that's using this brilliant Outwell tarp. So hopefully that's been helpful for you. If you like this kind of content, then please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for some more California time.